Day-by-day counts of the infected, overwhelming hospitals, large gatherings outlawed, schools and churches closed, even laws requiring masks. It sounds like what we're going through right now, but these are all from Fresno 102 years ago. Our Justin Sacher takes a look at the valley during a past pandemic.
Fresno mandated masks during the 1918 influenza pandemic, one of the deadliest in human history. In fact, our newspaper, the Fresno Morning Republican, documented the people arrested for not wearing masks and not following the law. Many people died, but because of efforts like social distancing, many people were also saved.
We think 258 people died in Fresno between 1918 in the flu wave of 1918-1919. Our population today, that'd be 3,000 residents dying.
Ethan Keitel is a history professor at Fresno State. When the coronavirus pandemic started affecting life in the valley, he started researching a deadly flu pandemic 100 years ago.
But I really didn't know what had happened precisely here in Fresno, so I just started reading.
He's since published 5 dispatches from Fresno, 1918 to 1919, following the Spanish flu pandemic in real time, where he notes some striking parallels to today.
They had shut down schools. They had shut down most indoor gathering places, churches, theaters. Fresno was pretty good in 1918 about getting on this as compared to other cities. And it bore fruit from that. It was a devastating pandemic here as it was elsewhere, but it wasn't nearly as bad, it wasn't nearly as lethal here in Fresno because it implemented some of these social distancing policies. They quickly filled up all the hospital beds in the county, one county hospital we had in the city. And so they had to open a number of temporary facilities in a church, in a nursery, in the old orphanage.
All the courses Keitel teaches have moved online. In addition to learning history, his students now document it as well.
One of the new assignments I gave to students in one of my classes is to keep a weekly journal of their experiences in this historic moment.
Justin Sacher, KC24, local news that matters.
We are all a part of a historic event, aren't we?
History sort of repeats itself.
Yes.
Yeah.